I'm here currently sa Burnham. I'm waiting for my guests na dumating kasi by now nasa biyahe pa sila. So sinabi ko sa kanila na ang meet up namin ay dito sa Burnham. Pero since I'm early today, I'm going to fetch them na lang sa mismong babaan ng terminal nila. Hello? What time yung dating ng van from Nueva Ecija? Nag-book kasi ako ng transpo for my guest.
Anong name ng guest?
They are Mr. Earl Burlaza and Miss Gwyneth Angela Bogbog.
Wait a second. Let me check first.
Alright, thank you. Hello! Welcome to Baguio. So, kumusta naman ang biyahe niyo? Okay lang naman po. Tagal yung binahe niyo? 5 hours. 5 hours. So, saan na kayo galing? Company? Nueva. Nueva. Welcome to Baguio. Yun nga, malapit lamang ang pinagbabaan nila Mamugway and Sir Earl. Wala na kaming inaksaya pang oras, kundi libutin ang pinakauna nilang destinasyon dito sa Baguio, ang Burnham Park. Now, you are here sa Burnham Park, ito yung pinaka-central tourist spot sa Baguio. Marami kang pwedeng activities na gawin dito. Pwede kang mag-bike, mag-boating, pumunta sa skating rink, sumakay sa mga rides, or kung gusto nyo mag-zumba lang kayo, mag-jogging every morning. Goods din dito mag-picnic and mag-bonding with family and friends. And of course, kung gusto mo lang tumambay, go na go! Today we are here at Mines View.
Time check 8 a.m. in the morning.
Hello, good morning! So we're currently here in our first destination here in Mines View with Miss Gwyneth, the beautiful one. Hi guys, we are currently at Mines View Park enjoying the view. So, andito tayo ngayon sa souvenir shop sa Mines View.
Pasok lang ba, sir? Cowboy?
Waway.
Ano ba?
Waway.
Ha?
Waway.
Ano maway?
Waway hat.
Hi, today we are here at Inlikha. I ordered oat milk and matcha and also sorbetes and saba. The food was 10 out of 10, the drinks was 10 out of 10, and the ambience was 11 over 10. It's a must visit for everyone.
Wow! Mr. Guide, saan tayo pupunta? Hanapin niyo kami.
Come and find us.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our short vlog. So, currently we are here at Inlikha and together with our tour guide, Kim Razel Mendizabal. So, we tried coffee here and food. So, I'll say that masarap naman yung coffee and yung food. Lalo na yung atmosphere here. Also, it is full of art. As you can see behind us.
Isa ang ililikha sa kinonsider ko sa isa sa mga best coffee shop here in Baguio. Ililikha came from the word ili, the kankanae term means village, and from the Tagalog likha, meaning create in English. Ililikha was opened way back 2014 from the concept of creative mind of the film director, owner named Eric De Guia, or known as Kidlat Tahimik.
This is my first bite. I'll say, yung beef, very tender. Yung flavor, sakto lang, balance. Hindi masyadong maalat. Also, yung broccoli, it's so fresh. 4 out of 5.
Ito po may mga stalls. Yan. And may mga nagko-cosplay din. Si Pikachu and Spider-Man. And you can also try biking at night. Biking at night is superb. Napaka-goods. Pampapawes. Now po, meron pong event here sa Burnham. Merong food expo na magaganap dito. So, maraming mga tinda dito like souvenirs, foods, and mga t-shirts na pwedeng bilhin, and many more. Sulit na sulit din mga foods po nila dito. Burnham kami kasi gusto daw nilang bumili ng souvenirs. Maghahanap daw silang pang-souvenir nila pag-uwi nila. Pero right now, hindi sila nakakita ng gusto nila. Kundi, sinasagutan nila ko yung mga flag din eh. Kita ang mano. Flag! So, diba? Nasasagutan sila. Yun yung Jenny Life flag, hindi yung mga souvenir shop and mga foodies. Meron din pong ganap dito sa Igorat Garden. Parang food expo din, katuloy ng food expo. Yan. Mga ihaw-ihaw. Different kinds of food you can buy here, such as fruits. Yan. And you can also see here the summer capital, city of Baguio. So tonight, we're going to Curfew. They wanted to experience nightlife, so we're here in Curfew for them to experience how nightlife in Baguio. Hello, so we are here. Nagnanight po kami here in Baguio. We have our college friends. Say hi! So ngayon, nandito kami sa Pizza Volante kasi this past few days, parang nagki-crave daw sila sa pizza and I want them to try this pizza here in Pizza Volante. So it is located only in Session Road lang naman. So very accessible and madaling puntahan kung gusto nyo magpunta kayo sa session and at the same time kumain dito sa Pizza Volante.
Hi guys, we are currently here at Pizza Volante. So we tried the mozzarella pizza and the iced tea. Yung iced tea, masarap siya, hindi siya masyadong matamis and hindi din siya masyadong matubig. Yung pizza, 10 over 10.
Welcome to Baguio City! Dito kami ngayon sa The Mansion, which is the house of the president pag umuwi sila dito sa Baguio. So as you can see, this is the mansion. It is one of the historic landmark here in Baguio. The mansion is the official residence of the president here in Baguio City. Ba't bawal pumasok? Well, this is open for public pero hindi kasi talaga pwedeng pumasok ang mga tourists inside. Hanggang picture taking lang yung mga tourists sa gate. So, kasama ko ulit si Mr. Earl. Hi, say hi. Yan. So, ano expectation mo sa mansion at first? Yung hindi mo pa siya nakikita?
Akala ko malaki, like as in totally mansion, pero hindi pala.
And,
And okay naman yung place, malinis. Perfect siya, mag-date sa loob.
kaso bawal. And today naman, nandito naman si Miss Guay. Anong expectation mo naman ngayon? Ito tayo ngayon dito sa The Mansion.
Maganda po. Maganda po din in real life.
Real life versus reality. Ito kami sa tapat ng The Mansion. Sa may fountain. Yan. Andun sila Ma'am Guy and Sir A. Nagpipicture sila. Actually, pwedeng lakarin lang yung mga malalapit na tourist spot dito since yung Baguio maliit lang, madali lang puntahan yung mga ibang tourist spot.
May park here.
Are here at Wright Park.
We're going to Wright Park.
Yeah. at Riot Park, located in Gibraltar, Baguio City.
Hi guys, andito kami ngayon sa Wright Park. So, ang daming horses dito, ang dami ding tourists na kagaya namin. The experience was 10 over 10. Yung weather, 10 over 10. Madami kayong may experience dito kahit di kami nag-ride ng horse.
Okay naman yung place. Tapos, ang ayoko lang is mabaho since maraming horse dito. Overall, good.
Hi guys, my name is Ian, and I'm the tour guide of Pearl and Guy. They availed me as their tour guide in Gibraltar. Right now, we are here sa Good Shepherd. Katabi lang po to ng Mines View.
Bumili tayo ng ano.
With them. Hello.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Good Shepherd.
Ito na ang pinakalas na destinasyon namin para bumili ng souvenirs na iuuwi nila Sir and Ma'am Gwyneth and Sir Earl sa baba. So ngayon si Sir Earl po kasi ngayon ay nakapila at kung makikita niyo naman, sobrang haba ng pila ngayon dito sa Good Shepherd. overall, the food was 10 out of 10. The ambience, 11 over 10. The service, self-service.
Hi everyone, we are currently at Common Ground and I ordered pork steak together with their caramel latte, and I'll say that yung steak nila is malambot, masarap, parang ako. tapos yung coffee, ang akala ko nag-order ako ng hot pero ice naman yung binigay, so okay lang, masarap naman. Sakto lang yung tamis, and also overall masarap yung food, also yung ambience is good.
Today, we are here at Common Ground. So, my guests wanted to try cafes here in Baguio, the best cafes here in Baguio. So, I recommended it to them. And since Common Ground is best in pasta, they're really good at making pasta. And rice meals din, masasarap silang gumawa. And the coffee itself, siyempre matatawag bang cafe pag walang coffee, best in Baguio here. So, kung gusto nyo, located lang to sa Kisad and malapit lang rin sa Legarda. Today we are here at Sizzling Plate with Mr. Earl and of course,
Miss Guay, mag-iit kami.
yung fare sa jeep pang student, ng mga natin 11, nag-range siya pang 11
Malayo ba?
Not really.
Everyone, we are currently here sa Sizzling Plate together with my partner Bugbog and our tour guide Kim. So I ordered Australian ribeye and medium rare, so okay naman siya, masarap. May part lang na hindi ko siya maguya. Then overall masarap siya and ang init, so na lumabas.
So, nag-order ako ng pork barbecue and masarap siya, juicy, 10 over 10. Tapos yung iced tea nila, masarap, hindi siya masyadong sweet and hindi din masyadong marami yung ice. So, yung pork barbecue, it comes with soup and rice, beans and fries.
Hello everyone. So, Mr. Earl and Miss Guaynet wanted to eat steak. So, I recommend this steakhouse in Baguio here in Session Road. So, they ordered a lot of food and drinks also kasi sakto lang na hapon na. And this is our early dinner for today. And now, katatapos lang namin.
months. So, okay naman yung travel and Baguio is still Baguio and maganda pa rin siya up until now and lahat na pinuntahan namin is good. And the experience was wonderful.
Well, for me, as the tour guide, yung siguro isa sa pinakamahirap since di naman talaga ako taga Baguio, yung aralin talaga yung mga places at ilibot sila kasi nakakalito. My opinion is, yay! Amazing! So nice! So good!
My opinion is come visit Baguio and experience the culture, the food and the places.
My opinion, sana mas matagal pa yung time namin nag-video kasi marami pa kaming gustong puntahan na places at marami pa kaming gustong libutan. And ano yung mga unforgettable experience and memories nyo habang nag-vlog tayo as a tourist and as a student itself. So, yung mga unforgettable experience ko is when we went to the places, yung iba naglakad kami, napagod, pero after the pagod, nag-enjoy naman kami.
For me, yung unforgettable experience ko dito is mag-bar hopping kami to makasalumuhan yung iba't ibang tao and experience Baguio tuwing gabi and i-enjoy yung moment together.
Overall experience nila, yun din yung para sa akin. Pero the most memorable one for me is yung kumakain kami sa mga coffee shop. So napaka-unforgettable, hindi lang dahil sa places itself, dahil kasama ko rin sila. And also, marami kaming nakain na bago, marami kaming napulot, like na-discover na food, na places na magaganda. Kasi ang alam na namin dati common ground. Ngayon, marami na kaming discover na places to eat.
We would also want to thank our tour guide for touring us in Baguio for the effort she make and for all those places na sinow niya sa amin with my friend here, Bogbog. And see you soon, Baguio, at the second time around.